guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, this has been a video creating kind of day, but I came back to say I've been hearing people talking about ants a lot of people are having issues with ants this year. I know almost every year it's like a different bug, and it seems to be the ants this year. I was even told by someone that they have the black ants, the kind of big black ants. They're having a big issue with those. Diatomaceous earth, guys. Diatomaceous earth kill the ants too. Just put it down. A lot of people use diatomaceous earth for their gardens as well. They have to use it regular because when it rains, it's no longer effective. But on those warm days when it's warm, you have all those bugs and things crawling around in your garden, and you're trying to be as organic as possible. You don't want to spray pesticides and things like that. Diatomaceous earth works very well in the garden, and it works very well on the outside where your plants and things are. You can put it down where your plants and things are to get rid of pesky bugs, and you can also put it down for the ants because it will kill the ants as well. So I just came back to say that because I've been hearing, people have been telling me that they're having a issue with ants. So diatomaceous earth. See you on the next one.